Hi everyone. Today's word of the day is move. Let's read this word together right here in green. Word of the day right here, big green letters. My turn. The word is move. Your turn. What's the word? Move. Excellent. Let's spell move. Wonderful. M-O-V-E. What's the word? Move. Yay! Excellent job. So today's word of the day is move. We have learned from our sight word choice board. This one first we wrote our sight word 5 times. Then we wrote our sight word then we did our rhyme time yesterday where we wrote our high frequency with our sight word jump, and we found 2 words that rhymed with jump. So today I'm going to teach you about pyramid writing. Now we've done this before in asynchronous, but I haven't explicitly shown you what it looks like. So let me show you what pyramid writing looks like for move. So the first thing is I'm going to write the whole complete word at the top of my whiteboard. Then underneath it, I'm going to pyramid write the word 3 times. Pyramid writing means you start with the first letter on the first line like this, M. Then the second letter with the first letter on the next line. So M-O. Then I got to add my third letter, M-O-V. And finally, I add my 4th letter. Oh my gosh, let me make this bigger for you. I'm so sorry. There we go. There you can see it. M-O-V. And then I add my 4th letter, M-O-V-E. And look, at the end of it, it makes kind of a triangle, but it's a pyramid as you add each letter. I'm going to do that 3 times. So let me show you again. 1 time. Let's go through it one more time for move. I start with the first letter, M. Then add my second letter, M-O. What's my third letter? M-O-V. Good job. And finally, my 4th letter is E-M-O-V-E. And then I draw my pyramid. Nice work. So for pyramid writing, you're going to write it 3 times. So I've done it twice. My goal is to do it 1 more time so I can really practice with my high frequency words. Fantastic work today with the word move. I'll see you tomorrow.